been an executive at the barangay level and has been presiding officer as a vice mayor for 3 consecutive terms. And I believe he will be a very good mayor. Just continue. He's on the right track, well focused and well directed. Mexico, under his leadership, will go far.
Kaya po mga opisina na po ni Municipal Planning and Development Coordinator, bibigyan po ng pasasalamat at suporta kay kayong Mayor Roy D. Manalastas. Congratulations po King First 100 Days You King Pamangkulan. Ay kitwi po nung mga namin yung binye, yung 100 years you di Maleng Tama. Pasibayo po, congratulations Mayor.
Go.
Bibigyan po himay ka oras kaya kayo, Mayor Roy D. Manalastas. Asahan niyo po ang Municipal Budget Office at suya po parati kini para mantabi ang pongmunye suporta. Kingke kayong maya kapamanungkulan. Congratulations po, kingke kayong first 100 days as Municipal Mayor.
One, two, three.
Your DILG family always support your administration. Congratulations to your first 100 days. More power. We love you, Mayor Roy.
Good morning po. On behalf of the Mexico Station, kami po ay bumabati sa ating mabait na mayor, Honorable Mayor Roy D. Manalastas sa kanyang 100 days na panungkulan.
From the Bureau of Fire Protection, Municipality of Mexico, 100 days! Congratulations!
Mayor, kaya kami po kaya ng opisina na ng Municipal Accounting Office. Kaya po 100 days yun, siguro po yung supportan mi kaya kayo. At asahan nyo po na karema pong susunod yung Aldo at hanggat po yung mayari interview, asahan nyo po yung supportan mi kaya kayo. Nano pa po yung asawa ko ni, willing kaya pong lapitan nyo at mating po kailangan na ibayo o na naman pong suggest yung kasanting na ng balen na ng Mexico, open kaya pong makiramdam kaya kayo. Ngayon po, 100 days, so nga sabi ko po kaya kayo, congratulations. Sana po, inakakit mo yung pamag service yung kaya ti balen Mexico, kasanting naman, at ano pa ba sabihin?
Magtuloy-tuloy.
At magtuloy-tuloy pa sana
Yung kasantingan.
para kayong kasanting na ng Balen, Mexico. Congrats po, Pasibay.
Respetado, disiplinado, Mexicano, 100 days na ako. In office of the Municipal Assessor, pupugayan niya ang kaluguran ni Mayor Roy D. Manalastas. Hinkayang ikaw 100 days ang maunlan at taliling ang pamamanungkulan. Asahan niyo po, hindi kaming loyalty at senior citizen affair would like to congratulate our beloved Mayor Roy D. Manalastas for his successful 100 days in public service. Through his initiative, we are recognized by the Mayor as ambassador in the municipality. Thank you very much, Mayor, and mabuhay po kayo.
Roy, kami ay in behalf of the Municipal Social Welfare and Development na nakikigala kami sa 100 days na panunungkulan mo at alam namin na kahit ang buong Mexico ay nakikigalak din sa pagdating ng 100 days at nakikita namin na maraming na-accomplish within 100 days.
Okay, Mayor, good afternoon. Masaya kami uling ikit mi naman itang improvement, itang success na nitang kaya 100 days. At saka, balo mi naman itang first day, itang nga mag-start, itang mag-start ka po. Balo ko masakit, pero at least ngayon, iikit mi atin talagang ating success, ating changes, at saka ating development. Congratulations po.
Happy 100 Days, Mayor!
Maya Pabok, in behalf of Pantawid Pamilya staff, we would like to thank you for your support in this program. May God bless you as well growing deeper as a public servant. Sa lokal na pamahalaan ng Mexico, kaya ng mga Mexicanong tumawid sa kaunlaran. Happy 100 Days, Mayor Roy Manalastas from DSWD Region 3, Pantawid Pamilya Pilipino Program.
In behalf of PWD Office, Municipality of Mexico,
Happy 100 days, Mayor
Roy
Manalastas.
Happy 100 days, Mayor Roy!
From the Tourism Office, congratulations po. At sana dinala ka pa ng ginong mas masigang katawan at mas malalang ang kabiasnan. Bakit na mas?
Respetado, disiplinado, Meksikano.
Happy first 100 days, Mayor Roy D. Manalastas from BIR, Mexico.
Okay.
Good morning po. In behalf of Municipal Disaster Restoration Management, pasalamat kayo po. Ating kakamong mayor uling babyan po yung suporta. Kasi bayo, thank you mayor at aapihan 100 days po yan.
Kayo man, sabi-sabi.
Okay. Happy 100
From the office of the Municipal Agriculturist Mexico, happy 100 days, Mayor Roy D. Manalastas.
To Mayor Roy D. Manalastas, pupugayan tayo po kaya kayong mumunang 100 days in office. Asahan niyo po na patuloy kaming suporta karin kaya kayong programa, lalong-lalo na kimpi sa sabyang kalusugan. God bless